Hi, Prakash here. Welcome to the next edition of Coffee Time Success Nuggets, where I intend sharing a few perspectives on what can make us continuously successful in all fronts of life. The word that I repeatedly hear in many of my interactions with leaders, students, homemakers, or even people from any walk of life that this is not possible to do. It is impossible. When you look at the word conjuring, it's normally associated with magic, where they speak about conjuring something, bringing something out of nowhere and then giving it meaning. Even our interpretation of the word impossible is like what we do, conjuring. And what do we conjure? We conjure excuses, we conjure reasons to say as to why something cannot be done. And where does this conjuring come from? What we call as past baggages. The past baggage is typically that we carry, which helps us to conjure this word impossible in any given situation. You tell an employee to do something, the first word they come out and say, "Hey, boss, this is impossible to do." You ask a student to do some work, a project. If they are not interested in doing, the first word they come out with, I normally call it as a excuse. Very rarely can you really say that something is impossible. That's why there is this famous statement which says, something was impossible till someone did it for the first time. The same is true for many of the things that we have in life. And the predominant excuse that we give in not being in a position to do something and calling it as impossible is what we call as what arises out of the past baggages that we have. Our own experiences from the past, which has taught us in a specific situation that something is not possible. But please bear in mind, when you compare something that you were not able to do a few years back and bring that experience to the current, you have changed substantially from the past as to what you are today. So obviously the baggage that you have has to be left in the past. Every baggage from the past is not fit to be carried into the present. Baggages also come from experiences that have been given to us by our own friends, our teachers, our parents, our well intended relatives, who all mean good in their own way. But good doesn't necessarily mean that makes it effective for you. And for you to break this trap of impossible and making it possible, the first step is awareness that this is a baggage and this is not necessarily true for me in the current situation. That awareness is the first stepping stone before you convert something from impossible to possible. Think about it. Till we meet again in the next episode, this is Prakash signing off. Thank you.